Now this here is my 5-drawer U.S. General cart. I have 2 of these. I have one at home that contains most of my Snap-on stuff. I keep that actually in my brother's room next to his bed. He loves that damn thing. It's full of Snap-on and gear wrench and Milwaukee goodies. Now this here, just recently I filled it up with a bunch of Icon stuff just to see how it would do around the plant. You know, I mean, I'm not cheap. This stuff isn't relatively cheap, but it's not expensive either. And this is all the Gen 2 Icon sockets. I've got the wrenches down here in one of the drawers, plus some drill drivers. I've got pliers. I've got pretty much everything I need around the plant. These are some inexpensive nut drivers that mimic WIAs. I mean, they're not WIAs. They're Auto Parts Store Duralast. They're bitchin'. And I got my fluke. I got some various ratchets and stuff in here. Pick set, my Astrolight. I've got 2 of those and the Nano charger. There's a rack of Sunex Nano sockets there we're going to be using to take the can loose. Let's see, what else have we got in here? This drawer's got all kinds of goodies in it. These are actually Drill America. These are fantastic drills. We've got some hammers and bits and stuff in there. We got pliers. We got some Icon hose pliers, some Kleins, some Huskies, some Icon flush cuts. Down here, we got a whole bunch of Allens because we use a whole bunch of Allens around here. Some Tectum Torx, which I think I bought this for 10 bucks. That's a fantastic set. These little Husky T-handles are pretty good. My good box, I've got Bondus with ball end on them, but these things work great for around here. These screwdrivers, unfortunately, are too tall to fit in the screwdriver slots on the general box, so we just tossed them down here in the wrench drawer. There's a generic tap and die set in there, little pipe wrench in the back. These are the infamous Max Bite Icon wrenches, and then some little Milwaukee ratcheting doodads in there that are real handy, and I like them for around here because if they get lost, it's not a big deal. A couple of Cobalt crescent wrenches, which are fantastic. And the bottom, my little beater 1/4 3/8 impact wrenches. There's a really nice set of Milwaukee pliers down here just in case. Some of their wire cutters. That is the Milwaukee brushless M18 drill and driver.